Hi, my friend. This morning I woke up at 6 o'clock. I made already breakfast for my clients. I'm in a private chef services and now it's quiet. I'm making a cake. I have already made pancakes. I made omelette, avocado stuff. I've got my bread dough with the sour dough ferments on, and you know the thing? I show you. Tomorrow is my last day here and I have to drive for 5 hours back home, and look at what I've got. Could you imagine going to Scotland? Going back to Scotland tomorrow with the weather like that. Man, look. That is my van. I mean, oof. Wow. By the way, this has been another amazing experience. So it's not finished. 6-day event in Lancashire. It's not finished yet, but the clients are super happy. I'm very comfortable. I'm making everything from scratch every day, like always. And this kitchen is not really well equipped. The house is beautiful, okay? The house, the surround is amazing. But if you are a private chef, or if you have a family, and if you plan to cook, so you have to come with your additional equipment. I'm doing this from so many years, so that's why I've got a big van. This is over there, that one, and I take with me. I try to think what I need to take, most of the things. So I'm planning always for the worst, because there are houses like this one that there are no serving spoon, there are no serving plates. So if you want to do a buffet, if you want to share the food in the middle of the table, there is no this. If you have 5 or 6 courses like I'm doing all the time, you have to wash your dishes, because there are only 12 small plates, 12 big plates, 12 bowls, and that's it. So there are no additional. I mean, go to a charity if you don't want to spend money to equip your house. And I mean, these people are paid thousands of pounds to stay here 1 week, and there are no place to enjoy a beautiful 6, 7, 8 courses dinner. I mean, by the way, I'm well equipped, and everything went very well. The thing is, a couple of days ago, I went to Sainsbury to shop for my clients, and I bought additional spoons. I bought additional serving spoons, so things for serving the food. This house is, unfortunately, is not equipped. So my thing is, if you plan to cook for a family, for people, private chef, or if you have a family and you go out, and you rent these beautiful houses, make sure with make sure, if you want to make a nice meal, if you want to have 5, 6, 7 courses and cook, make sure that they have the equipment, because this is not the only one. So this house got a cinema theater. It's got a pool, an amazing, beautiful over there, a great pool. It's full of rooms. It's surrounded by water all around. It's surrounded by water, but man, it's not equipped for cooking. The kitchen is big, okay? The kitchen is big. There are no tools. I mean, but by the way, I'm about to prep the dinner. I'm also making fresh cakes from scratch, birthday cake, and tomorrow morning I'm doing breakfast, cleaning the kitchen, and going back home. Hopefully Hopefully the weather is good. Hopefully will not. I'm not sure, man. I mean, look at this snow. Look. I'm not sure. By the way, keep in touch. Private Chef Giuseppe Manzoli. Ciao.